last class, we discussed what is some of basic Linux commands, and how to create files, and how to check files and directories, and what is ls command. Check screen. Can you see my screen? Hello.
Yes, sir. Good, sir.
Okay, okay. Now go to where is Linux. So it's all right. So today we'll see that continuation and all. So for practice purpose, just open this one, lab dot. So what is this one? Lab labs dot play hyphen with hyphen k8s. So directly we can open this one for practice purpose, but almost all Linux commands will work. And few commands it won't work. We'll see in AWS instance. Okay. Now it is asking login. Now it is asking login. Just select already. I hope everyone have GitHub account. With the help of GitHub account, you can connect. So now start the instance. If you click on start the instance, and it will come for our session, and add one new instance. Click on add instance. That's it. No need to do anything. Okay. Control enter full screen. Alt, sorry, not control, alt enter full screen. Clear the screen. Control plus plus if you want to increase the screen. Now font is okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, so last class mostly we discussed what is ls command. Ls means if you want to check what are the files, what are the directories in current working directory. PW is nothing but right, present working directory. So if you want to see all files and directories, that case we can go for ls command. And so right now I don't have. If you want to create a touch command, okay. If you want to create touch command, if you want to create multiple files at a time, and we can use these are the command, and whatever you want we can use data. Okay, so doc whatever it may be. Now see here, I created 5 files. Now ls command. Now already write ls hyphen l hyphen l means long format. And if you want to reverse order, ls hyphen capital R, and time base if you can be t, and hyphen a, including both hidden file without dot and all. And if you want to see only hidden files, ls hyphen a all files. And if you want to reverse the file, we can use R. So these are the some of the arguments we can pass it. Okay. Now ls hyphen l, l means long, t time, or reverse order. LTR means ls hyphen LTR means reverse order, as well as T means time, and L means long format. So we can pass multiple arguments also. See here, LTR long, and time means based on time, R means reverse order. R means reverse order. Okay, so now if you want to see size wise, ls hyphen s, s means size wise. So here this file four bytes data, and these files are empty files only. As of now, we don't have any data here. We don't have any data here. We don't have any data here. Now these are the commands. Now if you want to create a directories, so mkdir. Now see here ls, and if you want to display ls hyphen f means only it will display files, and ls hyphen d means only directories. And same way, if you want to create a directory structure, I want to create a directory structure. Now how to create? Mkdir, and this is the root path. For example, this is the DevOps my root directory. Inside directory, I want to, for example, Jenkins. Inside this, so I need to create, for example, linux.txt, or like whatever directory structure I am going to create. For example, DevOps 1. Now see here, apps 1. Now see here, this is the root. This is the root directory. This is the subdirectory. Under subdirectory, I am going to use one more subdirectory. So if you use, if you execute like this, we are getting error message. we are getting so before creating dev apps, this is the last. Actually it is going to create last directory, but before going to create, it is checking whether these two directories available or not. Do we have these two directories as of now? Like sir, dev apps jenkins and direct ఉందా? No కాబట్టి మనకి ఎర్రర్ వస్తుంది. Now see here, we cannot create directory, no such file or directory. Now in this case, which one we want to pass? -p, path. -p means path, right? -p. If we give like this, now see here, first it is checking. So give path. Hey, if you don't have this directory structure, please create this path. First dev apps directory, under this directory, and so under this directory, we need to give. So we need to give this path. Where is this? Now this one. So first it is trying to create this directory, but this directory is not available. This directory is not available, this particular. Now what it will do, I mention -p path. So now first it will create this root directory. Now it will create a subdirectory. Inside jenkins directory, it will create a devapps1 subdirectory. Okay, now check it here. See here, devapps. How to go to this directory? Cd space devapps, under cd space ls. Now see here, cd space jenkins, now ls. Now see, I hope you got it right. So if already these two directories already this structure available, we can create this one. If it is not available, we have to give p path. P is nothing but path, right? P is nothing but path only. P is nothing but path only. So now if you go here, where are you? Directory create backup and all, you don't worry. So go little bit, now find not here. Now go here. Yesterday we seen, right? Copy node dash, working with directories, stop. Okay, so here, right? Now already this is done. Already this is also done. Directory path, the home directory, and ls command. Mostly we are using also Linux. No need. Page number. Now I am in. This is also date and done. Now this is right, a directory. Now see here, -p. -p nothing but path of directories. If the directory structure is not available, if you mention -p, automatically it will create entire directory structure. Clear guys? Mostly we are using this command. Okay, so important. So -p is nothing but path of directories. Now so remove the file. Now I want to remove the directory. Now this is the directory, right? So now just now I created directories. Now how to remove this directory? This is the command. These all are very basic commands only. See here, rm space rmdir. What is the command? Rmdir. Remove the directory. Rmdir. Rmdir. What is the directory name? Which directory you want to remove? Now try it. Which directory? I want to give directory name. Now I am giving so devapps. Is it working or not? It won't work because this directory is not available. Clear, Uday? See here, rmdir directory. So this directory name not available. Now we have to give correct name. See here, rm space rmdir space devapps1. Now this directory is available. Now got it. See here. Now it will remove. Suppose in case, now see here, mkdir. Now try to understand. Now mkdir, for example, test dir. I given test directory, and I am using one file, touch space sample.txt file. Now pwd. Okay. Now I am in which path? Directory. Jenkins directory I am in. Come out once directory. cd dot dot. Now ls. Now, so in this directory, total how many files? This is the directory. ఈ డైరెక్టరీలో ఏమున్నాయో చెప్పండి. ఒక డైరెక్టరీ ఉంది, టెస్ట్ అనే డైరెక్టరీ ఉంది, సేమ్ వే sample.txt ఒక ఫైల్ కూడా ఉంది. నౌ గాట్ ఇట్. క్లియర్ కిషోర్? సో ఈ డైరెక్టరీలు నాకు ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి? 2 ఉన్నాయి.
Sir.
Suppose I want to remove now. Simply I'm giving a rmdir Jenkins. Now it is working or not? Anyone? Now simply I given rmdir Jenkins. Is it working or not? Uday? Is it working or not?
Yes, sir. Direct remove.
What is saying? See here. Fail to remove because directory is not empty. Now got it? Jenkins లో ఏమేమి ఉంది మళ్ళీ Jenkins అనేది ఒక డైరెక్టరీ. In this directory already we have two files. ఒక డైరెక్టరీ ఉంది, ఒక ఫైల్ ఉంది. So that is the reason we cannot delete. If you want to delete this
First
directory,
files deleted.
first before deleting this directory, we need to remove inside this directory. So instead of now I am using C rm dir hyphen r. Hyphen r means recursively, recursively, and directory name Jenkins. What is this typo, right? Rm spelling correct or not? Rem dir. What is type correct on right? Rm dir. Now rmdir. So we don't have any options. Let's check it now. Maybe rm rmdir hyphen help. So only these two arguments. We don't have any r. Okay. So that case, what I'm going to do now? Check it. Rm remove and hyphen r. Here r is there. HCLP. So now check it here. R is there recursively. Recursive. Remove directories and other content successfully. Now I'm going to use rm. So rm means remove the files as well as directories. Rm space r and directory name. I'm giving Jenkins. Now see here. Now it is working. Now do we have any errors? So there is two commands. Rm command, rmdir. If we don't have anything in our directory, directly we can use rmdir. Suppose if we have something in our directory and if you want to delete it, if you want to remove recursively, so that case we need to use rm space r. R means recursively. అంటే నాకు ఈ డైరెక్టరీలో ఏ1 డైరెక్టరీస్ ఆర్ ఫైల్స్ వాట్ ఎవర్ ఇట్ మే బి ఐ వాంట్ టు delete. So that case we are using rm space r. Clear? Anyone any doubt? MS. Clear Vaday? So if it is directory is empty,
Sir.
if directory is empty, మీకు డైరెక్టరీ ఎంటీ ఉన్నదనుకో, we can use rmdir. If directory is empty, we can use rmdir. We can use rmdir directory name. Directory name. If it is directory is empty, if directory is empty, empty. Suppose my directory have some files and directories. Now rmdir it won't work. Now we need to use rm space r. R means recursively. Now got it? So for files also we can use rm command. For files also we can use rm command. Now come to here. Now I'm going to create one file. Touch space. For example, Uday. I given file name is Uday. Now see here. This is my file name. Now ll command. Now see here. This is the file name. Now how to remove this file? How to remove this file? rmdir or rm command?
R.
Rm command. Rm space file name. File name means Uday. Now see here. Now got it. So for if you want to remove directory also, we can use rm command. But if it directory is empty, and that case we can use rmdir. Rmdir. Now anyone any doubt here? Clear or not? So
Yes,
now
sir.
if you want to remove the file, we can use rm command, or if you have multiple files, multiple directories inside directory, Same command we can use. Same command we can use files also. rm space file name. చదువుకోమనాలి file name. This is we can use file name also. So we can use directory also. We can use file name also. For both it will work rm command. Clear? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. Now come to here. Now this is suppose if you want to remove multiple directories also. If it is empty directories, so that case also we can use rm command. Suppose see here I am going to create two directories. Now mkdir, dir1 and dir2 and dir3. Three directories I created. Now see here if you want to remove rm, we can use both rmdir. All are empty, right? All are empty, right? dir1, dir2, dir3. Now it will work. Clear? Anyone any doubt here?
No,
If
sir.
it is empty directory, directly we can use rmdir. Next command. Now various commands. Now these are the rm remove the directory and all. Leave it as is. Now hyphen v means verbose. Hyphen v means verbose. And what are the files it is deleted and all. In that case we can use hyphen v. Hyphen v means verbose. Ante what is happening? I want to see. So for example, try to understand here. I am going to one directory. See here mkdir mkdir. I am using so for example Uday directory. So inside directory I am going to create one file. Touch space, touch space. For example, test.txt file. Now come outside. I am coming outside. Now ls. Now I am going to remove this directory. I want to know verbose. V means verbose. So what are the files it is going to delete? That information I want to see. In that case, rm space hyphen r recursively and v means verbose. Now Uday. I am giving Uday. Now R means recursively. V means verbose. I want to see that information. So what it is going to delete? See, removed first removed txt.txt file and removed Uday directory also. Uday directory also. Suppose if you are not giving a V means it won't display like this. Directly it is removed, but it won't give you some information. Clear? Hyphen v verbose. I want to see what is happening, what are the files removed, what are the directories removed. So that entire if you want to see that one, that case we can use hyphen v. Okay, verbose. Now same way, now this all are the make directory and all remaining all are same only. Now so if you want to directory non-empty, which of the okay, that is a questions and all, just try it. Now coming to here. Now rm right, how to this all are. Now remove directories where name contains 2 and 4. So suppose I have multiple directories. I don't want to remove all directories. Now try to understand here. Now DevApps. I don't have anything. Now I'm going to create so two directories mkdir, mkdir. I'm giving so Uday and so I'm giving Uday. And how many directories I'm creating means 1.5 directories. That's it. Now 5 directories. Same way mkdir I am using Kishore. Okay. Here also I am giving 1.3 or 4, whatever you want. Okay. So ls. Now, now ls. Now I have total 9 directories. Now total how many directories? 9 directories. Now total how many directories? 9 directories. Correct? Now if you observe here, if you observe here, so Kishore is 4 directories. Uday is 5 directories. I want to remove only Kishore directories. I don't want to remove Uday directories. Now clear? If ls means, so ls means it will display all files and directories. Now how to remove only Uday directories? Anyone? rm. Hmm. I want to remove only Uday directories. I don't want to remove Kishore. What is the command? rm
RM.
dir, and so right. So Uday UDAR. Star represents any character. UDA after star represents, it will represents 8 characters. It may be any characters, or we can use a U star also. U star means, first I will show you.
Starting with
See, D
all will delete.
DAR. I want to display only Uday directories. U star. Now observe here, which directory is display?
Right.
Only Uday
Right.
directories. For example, ls space. For example, K star. It will display only Kishore related. K. First letter should be K. Remaining letter any characters. Now got it. So now see here, ls means and K means starts with first letter K. I want to display only starts with K directories files. So now same way here we are using, right. So that case we can use rm space rm dir, and here we created, if you want to delete only first characters, that and all. So that case we can use so like this. See, rm dir, or we can use array also, array size also. That is your wish. Whatever you want, we can give it. Now go to here. Now I am going to remove only. Alright. Now see here how rm dir space k dir space k, or sorry u, right, star. If you give like this, now see here, it removed only Uday related directories. If you want to, we can pass array also. There is different way we can pass. See here, this is dx, starts with dx. To remove directories where name starts with dx, drx, drx. So for example, I want to remove both. Now see here, uh, mkdir, mk mkdir. I am using so DevApps. I am going to create so 10 directories. How many directories? 10 directories I am giving. Now ls. Now see here. Sorry, not this one. Mk mkdir DevApps, DevApps, this flower bracket. Okay. I am going to create so how many? 10 directories I created. Now see here, 10 directories I created. DevApps 1, DevApps 2, DevApps 3, 4, 8, and so on. 10 directories. Now I want to remove both. See here, rm, dir, and array. So I am giving d, and also giving k and star. Now what is this meaning? D. First letter starts with D and K also. K also. Right? Now got it. First letter starts with
Yes.
D as well as K also. Now I given. Now see here what they are giving. Now they are given like this also. So see here, remove directories where name starts with D or X. D or X means here. Now here I given, what is this? D K. So first letter starts with D and first letter starts with K. Whatever directory is available, I want to remove all these things. Now see here. I hope you got it right. Clear, Vaday?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So that case we can use so like this also. So if you want to remove D and all, so we can use DK also. Whatever you want, that is your wish. Now see here. Now mkdir, mk mkdir. I am giving so Vaday directories also. I am giving so Vaday directories. So we have multiple, right. So multiple directories. So now same way here I am giving so Shiva directories. Here I am giving for example, here I given 50 directories available, and also Kishore. If you want to remove all these directories, how much time it will take? Okay, I'm giving so 10 directories. Now see here 10 directories. Now total there is many directories, right? I want to remove all at a time. I want to remove all directories at a time. Tell me command. What is the command? I want to remove one by one. If you want to,
rm
we can remove one by one also. But it is taking more time, right? Yes or no? So now rm dir. Mm,
okay.
next starts with s, starts with k,
Okay.
starts with u also.
Yes.
That is your wish. Next star. Star represents any. Next continuation. That name should be any characters. Okay. Now see here ls. Now removed or not.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So like this is very simple only. Now go this path. This is assume these are same only, just right. Now cp command. I want to copy command. Copy means if you want to file, if you want to copy data from one file to another file. Now as of now, right? So touch command. TOU touch command, mkdir, next remove rm also, next rm dir also, and ls also, td, okay. Next date command, date, date, next what commands, so as of now, so right, touch, mkdir rm and also. Now copy means if you want to copy file, so how to copy file? I want to copy file one place to another place. Generally, this is the one directory. So this is the one directory. Now Windows, this is the one directory. I want to copy this file. Control C we are using, right? Copy this file and I want to paste it here. This is another directory. Paste it here. Control V we are using, right? Windows. Now got it. Control C copy. I am copying file from here. This is the source. And I am pasting here. This is the destination. Control V. Clear, Vaday? Now, same way in Linux, how to copy file, very, very important. Real time, almost all many cases we are using copy command. Now just assume. So now pwd, now I am in DevOps directory. Now come outside. Now try to understand. Now here I have one file. Just assume I am going to create one file. vi, for example, vi.txt file I am going to create and insert. I will show explain later. This is alright, and so escape colon x, save and exit the file. Now this is my file, cat space alright. Cat means if you want to see the content, this is also one command. Cat means if you want to see the content, we can use cat command. Cat space file name. If you want to display the content of the file, display file. Now got it. So touch means create empty file, create directory, remove file or remove directory, list of files, date command, copy. So now I want to copy. So this is the syntax. Copy, paste, source path, and also destination path. Desti destination path. Source and destination. From where we want to copy. So from where and for where we want to copy. This is the destination path. This is the source, this is the destination. Source means this one. Now see here, this file I want to copy to DevOps directory. Now got it? Anyone any doubt here? So now I'm in which directory? Root directory. Now I'm in which directory? Root directory. So here I have one file. Now cd space DevOps. Now see here. I want to, do we have any file here? ఇక్కడ మీకు ఏమైనా ఫైల్ ఉందా? ఉందా లేదా DevOps లో?
No.
No. Now I want to copy this file to this directory. Now anyone know how to copy file? Now ఈ ఫైల్ ని నాకు ఏ డైరెక్టరీ మూవ్ చేయాలి? ఈ ఫైల్ ని ఈ డైరెక్టరీ మూవ్ చేయాలి. దట్స్ ఇట్. కాన్సెప్ట్ is very simple. Now tell me how to copy.
CP.
Hmm. cp
Develop.
cp DevOps. Next.
Uday. Uday TXT.
Uday.txt. It will work or not? Now check it. cp. So what is the syntax? See here. What is cp source path and destination path? Two commands. Now, so here ఇప్పుడు నువ్వేం చెప్పినావు? cp DevOps అనేది ఫైల్ డైరెక్టరీయా?
Directories.
సో ఇప్పుడు నువ్వు ఎక్కడి నుంచి ఎక్కడికి మూవ్ చేస్తున్నావు? డైరెక్టరీని ఫైల్కి కాపీ చేస్తున్నావు. ఈజ్ ఇట్ పాసిబుల్ ఆర్ నాట్?
No, sir.
నో. నౌ టెల్ మీ కమాండ్ cp copy
Uday.txt
uday.txt
DevOps.
DevOps. Now see here. Now got it. ఇక్కడ ఇది సోర్స్, ఇది అంటే ఈ ఫైల్ ని ఈ డైరెక్టరీకి నేను మూవ్ చేస్తున్నాను, అంటే కాపీ చేస్తున్నాను. నౌ చెక్ ఇట్. ls. ఇప్పుడు వన్ మోర్ థింగ్, కాపీ మీన్స్ ఇప్పుడు నేను ఇక్కడ విండోస్లో కాపీ చేశాను, ఈ ఫైల్ని కాపీ చేశాను, కాపీ Ctrl+C, ఈ డైరెక్టరీ ఫేస్ చేశాను. నౌ వీ కెన్ సీ బోత్ ప్లేసెస్ ఆర్ వీ కెన్ సీ ఓన్లీ వన్ ప్లేస్?
Both places, sir.
బోత్ ప్లేసెస్. దిస్ ఈస్ ద బేసిక్ పాయింట్. కాపీ మీన్స్ సోర్స్ లో చూడొచ్చు, ఈవెన్ వీ కెన్ డెస్టినేషన్ ఆల్సో వీ కెన్, ఇట్ ఈస్ యూజబుల్ బోత్ ఏరియా, ఇట్ ఈస్ అవైలబుల్ బోత్ ఏరియా. Now same here also. Now see here, cd space DevOps. Now ls command. Now see here, can you see this file? Yes or no? Like ante, that's it.
Yes, sir.
Syntax is very simple. Source and destination. Source and destination. We need to give source path and we need to give destination path. Wherever you want, we can give it. Now one more thing. There is one more command, mu command, move. Move. There is one more command, very important, move command. That is move, me command. Same source path and destination path. So here mu is nothing but renaming. What is this here? Rename the file. It is working like rename only. Sorry, not rename. Cut and paste. Cut and paste. Cut and paste. Or also we can rename also. ఇప్పుడు నేను ఎక్కడ ఉన్నాను చూడండి, ఫైల్ ఎడుంది. సో ఇప్పుడు నేనేం చేశాను, Ctrl+X అని కొట్టాను, దిస్ ఫైల్ Ctrl+X అన్నాను, Ctrl+X, అంటే ఇక్కడికి వచ్చి పేస్ట్ కొట్టాను, Ctrl+V. నా ఈ ఫైల్ సోర్స్ లో ఉంటుందా ఉండదా?
No, sir.
నో. యు నో రైట్, దిస్ ఇస్ బేసిక్. సి, కట్ అండ్ పేస్ట్. ఇప్పుడు సోర్స్ లో వెళ్ళిపోతుంది, డెస్టినేషన్ లోనే ఉంటుంది. కరెక్ట్? సోర్స్ లో ఉంటుంది, సారీ సోర్స్ లో ఉండదు, డెస్టినేషన్ లో ఉంటుంది మనకు ఫైల్ అవైలబిలిటీ. సి హియర్, కట్ అండ్ పేస్ట్. సేమ్ వే ఇక్కడ నేను వాడతా చూడు, వన్ మోర్ కమాండ్. నౌ సి హియర్, నౌ గో బ్యాక్, ls. నౌ touc is touch. Now I am going to use this file, test1.doc ఫైల్ నేను మూవ్ చేస్తున్నాను. సి హియర్, mv test1.doc. I am going to so DevOps directory. Now got it. Move test1.doc. ఏ డైరెక్టరీకి? విచ్ డైరెక్టరీ? DevOps.
DevOps, sir.
Now check it here, ls command. Now can you see test1 dot here, source path? ఉందా ఇక్కడ? నో. మూవ్ చేశా కదా. సో now go and check it. td space devaps, td space devaps and ls command. Now observe. Like cut and paste. కట్ అండ్ పేస్ట్. విండోస్లో మనం కట్ చేసి పేస్ట్ చేస్తాం కదా, సేమ్ here mu command. నెక్స్ట్ mu command we can use another scenario also. Rename the file also. I want to rename the file. ఇప్పుడు నాకు uday.txt ఉంది. I want to remove this, rename this file. How to rename? Anyone? I want to rename this file. Now ఈ ఫైల్ ఉంది, రీనేమ్ కూడా వాడుకోవచ్చు. See here mv uday.txt and I am giving a new name uday1.txt. Now ls command. Now see here. Clear, Kishore?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Okay. So if you want to, we can use for rename also. So mu means actually move. If you want to move file from one location to another location, so if you want to move file from one location to another location, then we should go for move mu command. Or some case if you want to rename the file also, we can use mu command. Clear? We are using mostly this command also. This is also very very important. So mu command, move command. Now already here we have just a copy and try it. We can easily understand. Some example also is there. How to copy, how it will work and all. So see here rename, moving and rename the directories. If you want to, we can rename the directory also. So both purpose we can use rename directories also. Now ls. Now see here, this is the directory name devaps. I want to rename this directory. Now tell me how to rename. mv devaps and space devaps. I given 1 2 3. Now got it. Now what is this scenario here?
Directory will be renamed.
Rename. Now check it. ls. Now clear. So now me also we can use both copying move files one location to another location, or else we can rename the file also. Rename the files directories. Now go down. Now these are same. Just next working with files. So creating file, viewing file, comparing files, renaming files, deleting files, and creating linked files, editing and all. So generally, if you want to create any file, what is the command we are using? Empty file. I want to create one empty file. Which command as of now, empty file. I want to create one empty file. మీకు ఒక empty file create అవ్వాలి. Touch command. touch touch. For example, here I am giving this command file name. Now do how to see this content? Cat space file name. Correct? Now here just it is created empty file only. Now I want to add some content also. I want to add some content also. I want to add some content also. See here, while creating file, I want to add some content also. Now see, observe here. Observe here. Now I am going to create one file. For that file, I need to add some content. This is the syntax. See cat space cat greater than and file name. Press enter. Enter some content and control D. Save and exit. Now see here, cat space greater than appending file name. For example, shiva.txt file. Press enter. This is shiva file I am giving. Okay. Okay. Next, if you want to save this content, if you want to save this content, which what is the key? Control D. What is the command? Control D. Control plus D, save and exit command. Now clear guys? Anyone any doubt here?
Yes.
See here. Now cat space siva.txt. Now see here, data is added or not. So but real time, mostly we won't use like this. We are using VI command only. I will next class I will explain. But for practice purpose, we can use a cat. So how to create add content to file guys? Cat space For example, this is the uday1.txt. This is the file name. Press enter. Sorry, we missed greater than, right? Okay, greater than. Press enter. Next, whatever you want, type here. Whatever you want, type here. Jenkins Maven GitHub. Okay, just I given. Now, how to save this data? How to save this data? Control D. Save and exit. That's it. Now, see here, cat space uday 1.txt. Now, got it. This is the content here. Cat. Same whatever you want. Now, if you want to check it, now see here, if you use greater than. Now, so already available, then file will be created, provide. So if file is already available with some content, the old data will be overwritten with the our provided new data instead of using with this command. Now see here. Now this is see control D. Now this is uday1.txt. Again, I want to add some more content this file. I want to append. I want to append data. Now see here, cat greater than uday 1.txt, and here I am using so Linux shell. I want to add these two lines. Control D. Now uday uday1.txt. Now what is happening guys? Now observe here. I given only single greater than. What is this meaning? Already we have some data. If you use greater than, it is overwriting. See here, everything we written clearly. It is created and it is overwritten with the previous data. Existing data overwritten, and it is erasing existing data. It is adding new data. It is added new data. No, sir. I want to append only. I don't want overwritten existing data. I want to append new data to this file. This data. Already here we can see, right? Linux shell. I want to add few more data. Now in this case, what is the command? How to add it? Now try to understand. Uday one dot. I hope you got it right. Anyone any doubt here? గ్రేటర్ దాన్ ఇచ్చామనుకో మళ్ళీ ఏం చేస్తుంది, ప్రీవియస్ డేటాని ఓవర్ రిటర్న్ చేస్తుంది, అంటే ఎరేజ్ చేసి యాడ్ చేస్తుంది. ఐ డోంట్ వాంట్ ఎరేజ్ దిస్ డేటా, ఐ వాంట్ టు అపెండ్ సమ్ డేటా టు విత్ దిస్ డేటా. నౌ దట్ కేస్ cat double greater than and uday 1.txt. Now I am using, for example, maven jenkins and git. Now got it. Control D. Now in this case, check it. Cat space uday1.txt. uday1.txt. Now got it, guys. Anyone any doubt here? Anyone doubt? Clear. So if you
Clear,
if
sir.
you use single greater than, it is overwritten previous data and it is adding. No. I want to append. Append means this is the existing data. For this data, I want to add some more data. So that case we are using greater than. I hope you got it right. So everything we written clearly. Just check it. Now these are the view purpose. I will explain later, and the view content. Now if you want to see the content, I want to see the any data file. What is the content file guys? What is the command guys? If you want to see data, I want to display the content of the file. Which command we are using mostly? కంటెంట్. నాకు డేటా అని చూడాలి ఫైల్లో. ఏ కమాండ్ వాడతారు?
Yes.
యాడ్ స్పేస్ ఫైల్ నేమ్.
Fine.
Now got it? Same command. This is same only. So there is multiple commands available and we can check it. Now anyone any doubt as of now? Clear?
Yes, sir.